In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove overlapping duplicate objects in AutoCAD, a task that can significantly optimize your drawings and make them more efficient. Large files with numerous overlapping or duplicate objects can slow down your work, causing lag and sometimes even making the software difficult to use. In this tutorial, we'll tackle this issue head-on by using the OVERKILL command, a powerful tool designed to streamline your drawing experience. Imagine you've just created a rectangle, but due to various edits or imports, it now has multiple duplicate and overlapping instances on top of itself. This might seem harmless at first, but over time, these extra objects can add unnecessary complexity to your file, bogging down performance. Fortunately, there's a straightforward solution to this problem, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to identify the area in your drawing where these duplicates might be. Once pinpointed, you'll want to clear them all out in one go. The process is as simple as can be. To begin, type in OVERKILL directly into the prompt and then press Enter on your keyboard. This command is your secret weapon in cleaning up your drawing space by identifying and removing redundant elements. Once you've initiated the command, the next step is to select the objects that you believe might have duplicates or overlaps. In our example with the rectangle, you would click and drag over the area containing these rectangles to select them. With your selection made, press Enter again. This action signals AutoCAD to get to work, analyzing your selections for any unnecessary duplicates. Keep an eye on the command line as this process unfolds. Here, AutoCAD provides you with feedback, displaying the number of duplicate or overlapping objects it has successfully removed. It's a quick and effective way to verify that the command has completed its task, offering you immediate confirmation that your drawing has been cleaned up. And just like that, you've streamlined your file, potentially saving yourself from future headaches by improving both performance and manageability. This concludes our tutorial on using the OVERKILL command in AutoCAD. By doing this simple but impactful cleanup, you ensure your files remain as efficient and easy to navigate as possible, allowing you to maintain your focus on creativity and precision without technical interruptions. I hope you found this guide helpful and can now confidently deploy the OVERKILL command in your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.